सरकार किलाबंदी क्यों कर रही है? क्या ये किसानों से डरते हैं? क्या किसान दुश्मन है? मैंने कहा है कि किसान हिंदुस्तान की स्ट्रेंथ है, शक्ति है, और इसको दबाना, मारना, धमकाना सरकार का काम नहीं है। सरकार का काम किसान से बात करने का है और इस समस्या को रिजॉल्व करने का है। Today, Delhi is surrounded by our farmers. They are the people who give us sustenance. They are the people who work for us. Why is Delhi being converted into a fortress? Why are we threatening our farmers, beating our farmers, killing our farmers? Why is the government not talking to the farmers? And why is the government not resolving this problem? This problem is not good for our country. It is not good for the peace and harmony in our country. It's not good for the future of our Kisans. They need clarity. The Prime Minister saying that the offer is still on the table to postpone these laws for 2 years. What does that mean? Either you believe that you need to get rid of the laws or you don't. So I feel that this issue needs to be resolved as soon as possible and the government needs to listen because Kisans are not going away. मैं किसानों को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूं, ये नहीं जाएंगे, पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। अंत में सरकार को ही हटना पड़ेगा। फायदा है सबका कि आज हट जाए। Absolutely. The reputation of India has taken a massive hit. Not only on how we are treating our farmers, on how we treat our own people, how we treat journalists. It's taken a massive hit. Our biggest strength, you can call it soft power, has been shattered by the BJP and the RSS. Their mindset.